As the cool winter breeze begins to fade and the warmth of summer slowly creeps in, there's still time to indulge in the comforting, soul-satisfying flavors of South Indian winter dishes. From the earthy goodness of Beetroot Thoran to the spicy, soul-healing Chicken Rasam, these recipes aren't just meals. They're experiences that bring warmth, nostalgia, and a burst of authentic flavors to your plate. So before the season waves goodbye, let's dive into 7 must-try South Indian winter dishes that will leave you craving for just one more bite. 1. Beetroot Thoran, a colorful, nutrient-rich delight. A winter favorite from Kerala, Beetroot Thoran is a vibrant stir-fry made with grated beetroot, coconut, and aromatic spices. It's not just a visual treat but also a powerhouse of nutrients, perfect for boosting immunity during colder months. The subtle sweetness of beetroot combined with the nuttiness of coconut and a hint of green chilies makes it an irresistible side dish for steaming hot rice and sambar. Why you'll love it. Checkmark packed with antioxidants and iron. Checkmark quick and easy to prepare. Checkmark naturally sweet and mildly spiced. 2. Chettinad Pepper Chicken, a fiery winter warmer. If winter chills are getting to you, a plate of Chettinad Pepper Chicken is all you need. This dish, originating from Tamil Nadu, is famous for its bold flavors. Black pepper, garlic, and curry leaves work their magic to create an intensely aromatic and spicy curry. Best enjoyed with hot parotas or steamed rice, this dish is a go-to for those who love a fiery kick in their meals. Why you'll love it. Checkmark natural remedy for cold and cough. Checkmark rich in warm spices that boost metabolism. Checkmark bold, authentic South Indian flavors. 3. Avarekalu Sambar, Karnataka's winter special. Avarekalu hyacinth beans are a winter staple in Karnataka, and there's no better way to enjoy them than in a rich, aromatic Avarekalu Sambar. These tender beans add a buttery texture to the sambar, making it extra comforting. A bowl of this hot, flavorful lentil stew with soft idlis or steaming rice is pure bliss on chilly evenings. Why you'll love it. Checkmark rich in plant-based protein. Checkmark traditional seasonal specialty. Checkmark a perfect balance of tangy, spicy, and nutty flavors. 4. Kalu Rasam, the ultimate winter detox. Kalu horse gram rasam is a hidden gem in South Indian cuisine. Known for its warming and detoxifying properties, this rasam is packed with protein and is a natural remedy for congestion and weight management. The earthy flavors of horse gram combined with tamarind, garlic, and black pepper make this a must-have during winter. Why you'll love it. Checkmark helps in digestion and detoxification. Checkmark naturally boosts immunity. Checkmark a comforting, spicy broth for chilly nights. 5. Uli Dil, tangy shallots in a roasted coconut gravy. A traditional Kerala dish, Uli Dil is an explosion of flavors. The deep, roasted coconut paste combined with tangy tamarind and shallots creates an irresistible curry that pairs beautifully with rice. The warmth of the roasted spices makes it a perfect winter comfort food. Why you'll love it. Checkmark deep, rich flavors from roasted coconut. Checkmark naturally warming and satisfying. Checkmark perfect for those who love tangy, spicy curries. 6. Parapu Kanji, the ultimate comfort porridge. Nothing beats a warm bowl of Parapu Kanji, lentil porridge, on a cold winter night. Made with mung dal, coconut milk, and rice, this dish is light on the stomach yet deeply nourishing. It's often paired with a side of pickle or coconut chutney, making it an ultimate winter comfort meal. Why you'll love it. Checkmark simple, nourishing, and easy to digest. Checkmark packed with protein and good fats. Checkmark the ultimate soul-warming dish. 7. Nadu Kazi Country Chicken Rasam, a healing elixir. Winter illnesses. Not on our watch. Nadu Kazi Rasam, a traditional South Indian chicken soup, is a powerhouse of immunity-boosting ingredients like black pepper, cumin, garlic, and turmeric. This spicy, broth-based dish is not just delicious but also acts as a natural remedy for colds, congestion, and sore throats. Why you'll love it. Checkmark a perfect winter remedy for colds. Checkmark light yet packed with protein and spices. Checkmark warms you from the inside out. Conclusion. Savor the flavors before winter says goodbye. As the winter season slowly fades, there's still time to embrace the warmth and richness of South Indian cuisine. Whether it's the spicy Chettinad Pepper Chicken, the comforting Avarekalu Kanji, or the detoxifying Kalu Rasam, each dish offers a unique experience that warms both the body and the soul. Which of these winter delicacies are you excited to try before the season ends? Let us know in the comments. And if you loved this article, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes.